Some cars just don't quit, and when it comes to Lexus, a few models have proven they can push past 500,000, even 720,000 miles. These aren't just luxury cars, they're endurance machines, built to last decades without a single major failure. Today, we're counting down 10 Lexus vehicles that have reached jaw-dropping mileage with nothing more than basic maintenance. And the best part? Most are still affordable if you act fast. 2005 Lexus LX470. If you want a Lexus that can outlive its owners, look no further than the 2005 Lexus LX470. This beast is built on the same platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, and it shows. Under the hood is the legendary 4.7-liter 2UZFE V8 engine. This motor is known to run for 500,000 miles without breaking a sweat, and many owners have proven it with odometer photos that look photoshopped. But they're real. This SUV isn't just reliable, it's built like a tank. Full-time four-wheel drive, a locking center differential, and an air suspension system that actually holds up over time. The interior is classic Lexus, soft leather, wood trim, and a feel of indestructible quality. Everything closes with that satisfying Lexus thud, even after 20 years on the road. It's not unusual to see LX470S with over 400,000 miles, still towing trailers, climbing mountains, and gliding down highways like new. Some owners have pushed them to over 700,000 miles, with only basic service. If you're looking for an ultra-luxury SUV that's built to survive the end of the world, this is the one. And if you can find a clean one, grab it. 1999 Lexus LS400. This car is a legend. The 1999 Lexus LS400 is often called the most overbuilt luxury sedan in history, and there's a reason people say it runs forever. This was the final year of the second-generation LS, and Lexus perfected it. Under the hood is the bulletproof 4.0-liter 1UZFE V8 engine, the same power plant that helped build Lexus's reputation for durability. Owners have clocked over 700,000 miles on original engines and transmissions. The power delivery is silky smooth, and the ride feels like it's floating over clouds. The interior? Built to last, real wood, high-quality leather, and buttons that still work like day one after 2 decades. The fit and finish are so tight, there's barely a squeak or rattle, even after 300,000 miles. If you can find one that's been cared for, the LS400 is one of the best investments you can make. A true luxury car that refuses to die. 2006 Lexus GX470. The GX470 is the hidden gem of Lexus reliability. Built on a rugged body-on-frame platform, the 2006 model is powered by the same ultra-reliable 4.7-liter V8 engine used in the LX, the 2UZFE. This thing is unstoppable. Off-roaders love it, families trust it, mechanics respect it. This is an SUV that comfortably hits 400,000 to 500,000 miles, without ever asking for more than routine oil changes, timing belts, and a few suspension parts along the way. It's also one of the last years before Lexus introduced more tech-heavy versions of the GX. That means fewer sensors to fail, fewer electronics to replace, and more pure mechanical strength. If you want something that can take your family across the country or up a mountain for decades, this is it. 2004 Lexus SC430. Now this one might surprise you. The 2004 SC430 is a V8-powered hardtop convertible that many dismissed as a bougie cruiser. But guess what? Underneath that sleek body is the same 4.3-liter 3UZFE V8 found in the Lexus LS, and it's built to last. This car regularly hits over 300,000 miles with ease. It's smooth, fast enough, and extremely well built. The power-folding hardtop still works on most models 20 years later, which tells you everything you need to know about Lexus engineering. The SC430 has become a secret favorite among collectors and reliability fans. It may not look like a high-mileage workhorse, but it can be. 2009 Lexus LX570. Bigger, bolder, and still built like a tank. The 2009 Lexus LX570 replaced the Lexus LX470 and kept the legacy alive. This model packs a massive 5.7-liter V8, the same one used in Toyota Tundras and Sequoias, and it's a torque monster that doesn't quit. Even with more tech and features, this SUV holds up like few others. The drivetrain can handle insane abuse. Think towing, off-roading, cross-country road trips, and still reach 400,000 miles or more. And because it's a Lexus, the cabin stays quiet, soft, and luxurious even after a decade of wear. The Lexus LX570 is one of the few full-size SUVs you can buy used and expect it to serve your family for another 15 years. 1996 Lexus ES 300. You might not expect to find a mid-sized 90s sedan on a list of 700,000-mile survivors, but the 1996 Lexus ES 300 is proof that even the quiet ones can go the distance. This model may have flown under the radar for years, but now it's getting the recognition it deserves. At its core is the legendary 3.0-liter 1 MZF-EV6 engine, a masterpiece of smoothness and longevity. This engine, which was also found in some of Toyota's most trusted models, is known for pushing far past 300,000 miles with just routine maintenance. The transmission? Smooth shifting and durable. The suspension? Comfortable and simple to maintain. But here's what makes the ES 300 special. It was built during the golden era of Lexus engineering. The materials were top tier, the electronics were minimal, and the build quality was second to none. The result? A quiet, refined driving experience that still holds up decades later. Owners often report driving their ES 300s well into the 400,000-mile range. And there are examples still on the road today that have crossed 500,000 without any major engine work. It's the kind of car that just refuses to die, even if it never asks for the spotlight. This car won't impress your neighbors with flashy tech or aggressive looks, but it will show up every single day. No drama, no breakdowns, just smooth, reliable miles. If you find one in clean condition, treat it well, and it might just outlast your next two cars combined. 2002 Lexus is 300. Let's talk about a different kind of Lexus, the 2002 IS 300. It's smaller, sportier, and a little edgier than most other cars on this list. But don't let that fool you. Under the hood is one of the most reliable engines Japan ever produced, the 2JZGE. Yep, that's the same inline-six engine used in the legendary Toyota Supra, minus the turbo. And in the IS 300, it's paired with a rock-solid 5-speed automatic or a rare manual transmission. This engine is famous for handling abuse. Tuners push it past 800 horsepower without opening it up, so you can imagine how durable it is in stock form. What makes the 2002 IS 300 so special is that it delivers Toyota-level reliability in a sporty rear-wheel drive package. It's a performance sedan that holds together like a Corolla. These cars routinely surpass 300,000 miles with original drivetrains, and many well-kept examples are still climbing. The interior is simple but high quality. The instrument cluster is inspired by chronograph watches, and the driving experience is responsive without being harsh. It's the Lexus that appeals to younger drivers, but it's still built with the same precision as the flagship LS. If you want a fun-to-drive car that you can daily for decades, the IS 300 is one of the best-kept secrets in the used car world. And thanks to the 2JZ engine, it's got the heart of a warrior. 2011 Lexus CT200H. Now here's one that might catch you off guard. The 2011 Lexus CT200H. It's a hybrid, it's compact, and it's not the first car that comes to mind when you think about 700,000-mile beasts. But this little hatchback has proven itself again and again as a long-term champion. built on the same platform and drivetrain as the Toyota Prius. The CT200H blends Lexus comfort with Toyota's unmatched hybrid reliability. Under the hood is a 1.8-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with an electric motor and an ECVT transmission. It's not fast, but it's efficient and practically unbreakable. Owners frequently report over 250,000 miles with minimal issues, and there are documented cases well past 400,000 on original batteries and engines. The hybrid battery packs are robust and have been known to last over 10 years. And even if they do go, replacement costs have dropped significantly. Inside, you get Lexus-grade materials, comfortable seating, and excellent visibility. It's the perfect commuter or daily driver for anyone who wants long-term peace of mind without giving up style or quality. If you're looking for something that's good on gas, easy on maintenance, and quietly capable of doing the mileage of 3 cars, the CT200H is a rock star in disguise.